Hello friends, good morning. In previous lecture, we see that the definitions of constants, variables, algebraic expressions, terms of algebraic expressions, and a coefficient. Now, in this lecture, we discuss the polynomial, degree of polynomial, and type of polynomials. First of all, we discuss the polynomials. What is polynomials? Which is the definition? Polynomials, clear? And algebraic expression and algebraic expression and algebraic expression in the variables involved in which variables involved have only non-negative integral powers. Non-negative integral powers is called a polynomial. Is called a polynomial. क्या कहा कि पॉलिनोमियल क्या होता है? An algebraic expression in which variables involved have only non-negative integral powers. Means the powers of the variables present in the algebraic expression will not be negative and it will be the integral powers, not fractions. Clear? Then that expression is known as polynomial. मतलब ऐसा algebraic expression इसमें जो वेरिएबल्स है उसके पावर्स क्या निगेटिव ना हो और क्या कंप्लीट इंटीग्रल पावर्स हो, तो उन्हीं एक्सप्रेशंस को क्या कहते हैं? अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन कहते हैं. एग्जांपल देखते हैं. 3x plus 4 2x square minus 7x plus 3 x power 100. All these are the algebraic expressions and these algebraic expressions are the polynomials. Clear? Now we see that some other examples as 5 plus 8 x power 3 by 2 plus 2x. Okay? In this case, we find that this is polynomial or not polynomial? Not polynomial. First case, that polynomial is an algebraic expression. Clear? Algebraic expression, but every algebraic expression is not necessary to be polynomial. As in this case, this is an algebraic expression because in this expression variables are and constants are combined with the operations of plus, minus, add, etc. But to be a polynomial for an algebraic expression, it is necessary that it have no negative powers and the powers will be integral part. But we see that This expression has term 8x power 3 by 2 where power is fractional. Where the power is fractional. Hence, this is not a polynomial. Clear? This is not a polynomial. Clear? Now, we discuss degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. Clear? What is the degree of polynomial? The highest power of a variable is called the degree of a polynomial. Yeah. In case of polynomial, in one variable, the highest power of a variable in the polynomial is called degree of polynomial. Is called degree of polynomial. डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल क्या है? अगर पॉलिनोमियल के हमारा सिंगल वेरिएबल में है, उसमें जो सबसे हाईएस्ट पावर होगा वेरिएबल का, उस हाईएस्ट पावर को क्या कहेंगे? डिग्री ऑफ दैट पॉलिनोमियल. फॉर एग्जांपल 4/2y plus 7. Clear? Here the highest power of variable present in this polynomial is 2. Hence, degree of polynomial is 2. Clear? In this polynomial, the highest power of variable present in this polynomial is 2. Hence, degree of this polynomial is 2. Clear? If we take 3 square minus 5 square plus 1, here we said the highest power of variable is 4. Hence, degree equal to 4. But in the case of polynomial which has more variables, 2 or more variables, 2 or more variables, then how we find the degree of polynomials? If the polynomials has 2 or more than 2 variables, then first of all we add the powers of variables present in each term. After that, the addition will be highest of which term, that is called the degree of the polynomial. इसमें क्या करेंगे? अगर हमारा पॉलिनोमियल है मोर देन 2 वेरिएबल्स में है, तो सबसे पहले उस पॉलिनोमियल में जितने टर्म्स हैं उनमें जो वेरिएबल्स हैं उन सबके पावर को ऐड करते हैं. जो एडिशन सबसे हाईएस्ट होगा उसी को क्या करेंगे? डिग्री ऑफ दैट पॉलिनोमियल. इट विल बी मोर क्लियर विथ द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जांपल्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, वी टेक अ पॉलिनोमियल इन 2 वेरिएबल्स x and y. For x square, y cube minus 5 xy square plus 7 minus 2 Here we see that our polynomial is in two variables, x and y. Clear? In first term we see that the sum of powers 2 plus 3. In second term we see that 1 plus 2. And in third, here 0, and in this case here is 4. 2 plus 3, 5. 2 plus 1, 3, 4. And here is 0. The degree will be the highest powers. Means the sum of the highest sum of the powers of the variables. The highest sum is 5. Hence, degree of this polynomial is 5. देखो कि अगर हमारा सिंगल वेरिएबल में पॉलिनोमियल है तो उसमें जो सबसे हाईएस्ट पावर होगी वेरिएबल की वो उस पॉलिनोमियल डिग्री होगी। अगर हमारा पॉलिनोमियल मोर देन वन वेरिएबल में है, 2 में, 3 में, 4 में है, हम पहले क्या करेंगे, जितने टर्म्स हैं सभी में जो वेरिएबल्स हैं उनके पावर को ऐड करें। तो जिसका एडिशन सबसे ज्यादा होगा, हाईएस्ट होगा, उसी नंबर को हम उस पॉलिनोमियल की डिग्री कहते हैं। जैसे यहां पर हमने देखा हमारा 2 वेरिएबल में है, हमने ऐड किया इनके पावर्स को, 2 plus 3 5, 1 plus 2 3। यहाँ पे कोई वेरिएबल है ही नहीं, इसका 0 मिलेंगे, इसके वेरिएबल का सम, जो पावर का सम होगा यहाँ 4। तो हाईएस्ट क्या रहा, 5 रहा। हेंस द डिग्री ऑफ दिस पॉलिनोमियल इज 5। क्लियर? Now, we discuss polynomials of various degree. Polynomials of various degree. Polynomials of various degree. Clear? Linear polynomial degree. First, linear polynomial a polynomial is said to be linear polynomial if the degree is 1, or we can say that a polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Clear? Example, 3x or 3 plus 5. Second, quadratic polynomial. In the similar definition, a polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. कहने का मतलब ये है कि अगर हमारा पॉलिनोमियल की डिग्री 2 है तो क्या कहेंगे, क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल। 3x स्क्वायर, 4 - 6 स्क्वायर, 10 स्क्वायर प्लस 6 प्लस। These are the examples of quadratic polynomial, क्योंकि इसकी हाइट डिग्री कितनी है, 2 है। अब देखते हैं क्यूबिक। क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल, क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल, a polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Now, example x cube minus 7. X cube minus 7 square plus 3. Here the degree is 3, hence it is cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial having a polynomial of degree 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. Example x power 4 minus 3. X power 4 minus 3x cube minus 6 cube plus 7 square minus 4x plus 5. These are the examples of biquadratic polynomials. In next video we will discuss the polynomials, number of terms in a polynomial. On the basis of number of terms in the polynomial as monomial, binomial, trinomial and so on, and constant polynomial and zero polynomial. Okay, thank you.